Hey guys, it's Ariannitalagringa. Woo! I am out of breath because I just ran, and in today's video, it is a beautiful day to be outside, and I'm going to teach all of you guys running vocabulary. Let's run into it. Right now, I am sitting down on the bleachers because I'm at a high school football stadium. Behind me is the football field, and around the football field is the track. And behind this football stadium is the TQL stadium. By the way, if you guys haven't watched my soccer vocab video, go ahead and check it out. But before starting the video, I want to ask you guys, where do you guys normally walk or run? Do you run on the street, on the sidewalk, or do you run on a padded surface like a track, like the track behind me? In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys running vocab on the track. I will run around the track, but normally I like to run on the street, on the sidewalk, because it's more fun. You can look around places, you can look at the beautiful buildings all around you, because a track can be a little bit boring because you're not really looking at anything. Now, I want to ask you guys one question. What do you normally wear when you go work out, exercise, or go on a run? Do you wear jeans? Do you wear a heavy jacket? No, we normally use workout gear or gym clothes or workout clothes. Women normally wear sports bras like I'm wearing one right now, or leggings, or you can wear a cotton t-shirt, something that is breathable and it is stretchy. Like these leggings are very stretchy and I can go work out in them and not be uncomfortable. And men normally wear workout clothes like a t-shirt, shorts, or sweatpants, something that they can be comfortable in when they're working out. Before running around the track, I will warm up my body by stretching my arms and stretching my legs. I'm going to warm up because I want to make sure that I don't get an injury or get hurt while I'm working out. That's exactly why stretching and warming up your body is important, because you want to prevent injuries while working out. After stretching and warming up my body, now I'm ready to run around the track. But I'm not going to run around the track. I will walk around the track because I don't want to get a stomach ache or I don't want to get a cramp. I want to make sure my body is prepared before running around. But wait, look at my shoes. Make sure before you start exercising or before you start working out, make sure your shoes are tied. Before running, you want to make sure that your shoes are tied. So right now I am tying my shoelaces. That way I won't trip or fall when I'm running. Normally when I walk around a track, I like to listen to music. I normally listen to music with my earbuds, or you can call these headphones. But this cord doesn't plug into my phone. It doesn't work. So I just normally use my AirPods. These are called AirPods, and my AirPods connect to Bluetooth. I can put them in my ears and then start listening to music. By the way, let me know in the comments what type of music you normally listen to when you go for a walk or when you exercise. Personally, I like to listen to Latin music. I like reggaeton, I like dembow, I like listening to salsa, but I also like Brazilian funk. I just walked around the track in a huge circle, and that is called a lap. Now I'm going to jog around the track. I normally take it step by step when I'm working out. So first I walked, and now I'm going to jog. And what is jogging? Jogging is when you are running at a slow and steady pace. Now it's time to jog. I just jogged. By the way, when I'm making this video, I'm actually exercising. I first walked around the track, I did one lap, and now I'm going to do another lap jogging. Come along with me. I just jogged another lap around the track, and I am out of breath. I think I might be out of shape because I haven't exercised in a while. Out of shape basically means that you're not fit and you're not in the best condition to work out, which means you can get tired pretty easily. Are you guys out of shape? Let me know down below. Before continuing the video, I want to ask you, are you running away from your problems learning a new language? Well, if you are, I want to tell you about today's sponsor, LiveXP. LiveXP is a platform where you can find language tutors for private one-on-one lessons. You can choose tutors who are native speakers from the United States, Mexico, China, and other countries. And you can also learn with a professional teacher who knows your first language. All tutors are included in one subscription, so you can switch between them for different goals and languages. My favorite part is you can filter tutors by interest. You can choose your interests like film and TV, traveling, and soccer, so you can have common topics to discuss with your tutor. Go ahead and use my code Ariannita30 for 30% off your LiveXP subscription, where you can book a class with any tutor. You can also book a trial lesson with the tutor for only 99 cents. Go ahead and get off to a running start and level up your language skills with LiveXP. Thanks LiveXP for sponsoring this portion of this video. Let's get back to learning more running vocabulary. Right now I am standing on the football field, and after walking one lap around the track and jogging one lap around the track, that makes 2 laps. Now I'm going to take a water break. I'm going to rest my muscles, and I'm going to drink this bottle of water because I'm pretty thirsty. This water is so refreshing. And before running around the track, I'm going to teach you guys idioms with running. Yes, you can also use running with phrases and expressions and idioms. As I told you guys before, you can use the word running in an idiom or phrase, and it does not mean physically running. For example, I am running a restaurant. That does not mean that you're actually running a restaurant, you're running into a restaurant. That means that you are the owner or you are running a business. So basically you are taking care of things, you are handling things inside the restaurant and making sure the business is flowing great. Another phrase you can use with the term running is running late. And that just basically means that you are behind on time and you won't arrive on time. You are delayed. For example, the bus is running late, which can mean the bus is not on time or the bus is not going to arrive on time. Another phrase that you can use with the word running is running out. For example, I am running out of water. This water bottle is almost empty. Also, I'm running out of time for this video. Let's go ahead and run. Come along with me. Before running around the track, I want to ask you guys one question. What is this called? This is called a hurdle, and you jump over the hurdle. Jump over it. Let's see if I can jump over these 2 hurdles, because this hurdle is taller than this one. I just jumped over the hurdle. Okay guys, I'm very scared about the next one because it's a lot taller. Let's see if I can jump over it. Woo! I jumped over the hurdle. Have you guys jumped over a hurdle? Let me know. Now I'm going to run around the track, but I'm not just going to run, I am going to sprint on the track. I'm going to sprint 100 meters, and that just basically means I'm going to run as fast as I can within a short distance. Now I'm going to see if I can attempt and beat Usain Bolt's world record for his 100-meter sprint at 9.58 seconds. I'm going to time myself. I will set a timer on my phone, and I'm going to start with this blue dotted line right here and sprint 100 meters. Before sprinting, I have to crouch down on one knee, and this is called the sprint start. So this is the position I'll be in to start sprinting. I have my timer on my phone. I'm going to press start and see if I can beat Usain Bolt's world record. I just sprinted 100 meters, 17.13 seconds. Do you guys think that is fast? And let me know down below how many seconds you guys normally run when you run 100 meters. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I'm super exhausted from running around. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and give me a super thanks. Also, let me know down below which place you would like me to go to next to teach all of you guys American English. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!